I'm in AP classes. I thought you said that was the most important thing.
I never said that. We both know it's all important. School, sports. But this is about you, for your health.
But what about the recital? I don't want to miss dance.
You won't have to miss so much. The split-week boot camp will make sure you don't fall behind when you miss.
I don't understand this. I feel fine.
All right, I have some flights to show you. Their website is super helpful. Even recommended a hotel, yes, with a pool. Oh, are we still discussing?
How am I supposed to have time to even do this?
You will. The ScoliSMART doctor said you're an awesome candidate. That's what matters.
What is it, honey?
Well, of course I don't want some brace or surgery. It's just... Well, everybody's talking about it like it's just another decision to be made. But it's actually happening to me.
Oh, honey.
We know it's happening to you. We're just trying to figure out the details so we can make the best decision for you. Sweet pea, your mom and I think it is. Don't you?
Well, even if I have to miss some dance or soccer, it's not much.
And if you had the surgery, there'd be no soccer, right? At least for a while.
I'd much rather do this.
Remember what we read. Remember the x-rays. Like you told me, what is the most important thing?
I remember. It works.